In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Minecraft keeps logging you out of servers randomly. Let's get started. First, if you are connected to any VPN, you'll need to disconnect it or disable it. Once you do that, search for View Network Connection, launch it. Once we're there, find the network adapter you are currently using, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click on it, select Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties again. Make sure opt-in and IP address automatically is selected. After that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS field, type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS field, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and they can often help improve internet stability and fix connection problems. For our next step, search for CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here type in the command prompt ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. This clears your DNS cache and removes corrupted network data that may be causing issues. Next, type in another command prompt netish winchock reset and press enter again. This command resets important Windows network settings and can fix deeper connectivity problems. Now you'll need to give a fresh restart to your PC. Once your PC boots back up, test your internet connection again and in most cases, the issue should be fixed. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.